Hey, Eric here again, and this is part 2 in a series of 2 video tutorials showing you how to create videos, how to edit in-depth videos with completely free online tools. So the first one in the series, I showed how to use Kizoa, and in this tutorial I'm going to show how to use Adobe Spark. Alright, so once again, you can use many of these various assets from Media Cloud Pro with Adobe Spark. And again, this is a program that's free to join. You just go to spark.adobe.com. And I'm going to, first of all, click Manage Brand. So if this is your first time using Adobe Spark, there will be something to the effect of set up your brand where you can add your logo essentially, and you'll see why I want to add this. There's a place, basically it goes on the end of our video. We can also use it as a watermark. So for Manage My Brand, I had done a little test earlier using my dance studio brand, and for this demonstration I want to create a advertisement video for Media Cloud Pro itself. Okay, so I'm going to change the name of my brand to Media Cloud Pro. And I'm going to add a logo. And I'm going to go ahead and select my Media Cloud Pro logo from my computer, and we're going to go ahead and replace the existing logo with this Media Cloud Pro logo. Okay, so that is now updated. I think it automatically saves, so I don't even have to click save or anything. Now I want to create a new project. So basically this plus button up here at the top is how you create a new project. And similar to Kizoa, Adobe Spark has many templates that you can use. And again, templates are great shortcuts. I mean, these templates are, I definitely do recommend using them, especially if you are, not a designer, if you are not a video pro. By all means, use the templates. Then you can basically just drag and drop media into those templates to create professional looking videos. But again, for the sake of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch. So I'm going to select Start from Scratch and then Video. And then they want you to give it a title, so call it Media Cloud Pro Ad. Next. And then again, you can pick a template, it's what they call a story template, or you can start from scratch. So again, story templates are great, but I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch and just create it purely with media from Media Cloud Pro. All right, so you can see the watermark here in the corner. They put this, they call it a stamp. So you can actually turn that off or on. But we'll go ahead and leave it on because I think it's kind of cool to have it there. So now we need to find some media. We can add videos or photos to this. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to go to Find Media. I'm going to go to Videos/Memes. And so my concept for this little video ad is I want to have someone who's like really angry using their computer because they're so frustrated about creating graphics, and then all of a sudden, they learn about Video Cloud Pro or something. Okay, so let's try. These are some of the keywords I looked for in the previous demo. Let's try searching for angry. And I think we're going to have the best luck with memes, actually. Because I can just imagine a lot of funny, angry memes. Yeah, lots of funny, angry memes. I need something that's more like computer-based, though. I don't know if we're going to find an angry computer. Let's find out. Yeah, oh, what do you know? Here's some angry computers. A lot of these memes are also really short. Some of them are just 1 or 2 seconds, so we need to find one that is long enough. I think some of these could work. This one's pretty funny. I'm going to load a few more. All right, let's see. This guy here looks pretty funny too. I might check that one out. Not quite angry enough on that one. Let's see. Yeah, you know, these look, there's some decent ones. I think I kind of like the look of this guy just pounding his fist. Let's see if we can preview that one. Okay, so it looks like this clip is 5 seconds long. That probably will be good. Oh, that is perfect. That is classic. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this meme, so angry computer GIF. And since I'm downloading it as a meme, it's actually an MP4 file, which is gonna be perfect. And then now we need to find something like, I don't know, graphics, because that's what I'm advertising is graphics. I'm not sure what's gonna come up for graphics memes. I'm not sure if that's gonna make sense or not. These are cool, kinda. They're also kind of cheesy. Let me check videos and see if there's anything just a little more professional looking. All right, it's got some interesting sort of graphical videos here. It looks like mostly like background graphic type of stuff is what it's returning. Let's try something like graphic design to see if that's a little more targeted. And let's see what we got. Okay, oh, there we go. Yeah, these two look pretty nice. And this one over here, I like the look at this one. It kind of, I think, could be a good sort of illustration of, well, let's just see what it looks like. It's a 45-second clip, so probably has more than enough content for me to work with. Okay, that's cool. So it kind of, it could sort of showcase the fact that we have different types of media, like various stock videos and vectors and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Since that meme is probably not real high resolution, I probably don't need a real high resolution on this one either. I'm just going to download a small standard def video. All right, and while that's downloading, I'm going to go ahead and pop back over to Adobe Spark and get started. And so I'm going to click to add a video, and we're going to add that video that we just downloaded. This funny guy. All right, and so you can crop this video, so when it comes up, before they add it to your timeline, they give you the option if you want to crop it to make it shorter, or if you only want to use a portion of the clip. This one I want to use the whole clip because it's only 5 seconds long. That other clip we're using I might want to crop, we'll see. But go ahead and click save to use that full video clip. All right, so that was just added to the timeline essentially. And then we can add text on top of that. I'm going to go ahead and add that other video clip first. So I'm going to go ahead and click this plus to add another slide, and then click video once again. And here's the second video that we just got from Media Cloud Pro. This one's a little bigger. Might take a little longer to upload on my slow internet connection. I know we do. Well, I don't know if we want to use the full thing or not. We'll see. Let's see. Let's go ahead and click play. I do like the very beginning. I wonder how it ends. Well, it looks like they only allow maybe 30 seconds. That may be a limitation on their free version. So we'll just leave it at that. That's fine. All right, so we'll just take that 30 seconds and I'm going to click save. All right, it looks like that's done uploading and processing. Let me click play and see if it, yep. And so by default, they sort of drop in a background music track, but we're going to customize that in a minute. Although that's kind of cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I need to add some text. I'm going to go ahead and add some text to this first one. And we click add content. I'm going to select text. And I want to say something like mad about what? Graphics creation? Yeah, mad about creating graphics. Let's see here. Make it bigger, smaller. Adobe Spark is intentionally very simple. There's not a lot of options here. But again, that's intentionally so. It makes it very easy to use. I can try the caption style. That might be good, although it might be in the way of the action. Yeah, it's kind of in the way of the action, I think. Let's see. Let's try that and see. Yeah, I think that'll work. Mad about creating graphics. Okay, let's go ahead and add some text to that second slide. So we'll click on the second slide and add text as well. And on this one, what do I want to say? Let's say you need Media Cloud Pro. And I'm going to actually make it the web address. That way you can actually get some traffic from it. It's .co. You need MediaCloudPro.co. And I'm going to make it smaller, I think. Maybe the caption. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Yeah, I think that's cool. That's cool. All right, then we have a credit slide. Now, I'm not going to use the credit slide. You could do credits if you want to. Then we've got an outro slide. I'm going to go ahead and turn this outro slide on. I guess I just turned it on. So we've got the logo here that we added when we did branding. And then this text I can customize. We'll do visit. Let's see, MediaCloudPro.co. Make that bigger. There we go. Okay, so we've got that. Now I think we need to add some additional or some better background music. The other thing we can do is a voiceover. So let's try that. So this is directly now. I don't think this is going to work because I'm actually recording this with Camtasia screen capture right now, which is using my microphone. So I doubt that it can use my microphone at the same time, but let's try and see. Oh, press and hold while speaking. Okay, here we go. Are you mad about creating graphics? Let's see. Let's press play. Are you mad about creating graphics? Okay, that'll work. Then let's add something to this. You need Media Cloud Pro. I'm trying to think. I should probably think of a few bullet points to actually mention about Media Cloud Pro. Maybe the fact that it's got over 7 million media assets. You can create all kinds of graphics, stock photos, and all kinds of stuff. All right. You need Media Cloud Pro. Just go to MediaCloudPro.com or .co. Let's see if I can figure out how to delete that. Let's see. I guess if I just maybe hold this down again. You need Media Cloud Pro at MediaCloudPro.co. Media Cloud Pro is an innovative new graphics platform that has over 7 million built-in media assets. So you have everything you need at your fingertips. You can stop paying for expensive stock photos and graphics. You can stop buying vector graphics, and you can stop paying outsourcing. All right, so you get the, I guess I could redo that. I sort of ran out of time there on that 30-second clip. Maybe I'll do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. You need Media Cloud Pro from MediaCloudPro.co. Media Cloud Pro is an innovative new graphics platform that has everything you need to create stunning graphics in a matter of minutes. It has over 7 million built-in graphic assets, including stock photos, vector graphics, and more. Go now to MediaCloudPro.co. Okay, fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and preview this entire video.
Are you mad about creating graphics?
No, you know what? We need to add a different music first. So I'm going to go ahead and click Music. And you see where it says Add My Music? So that's where you can add any of the music tracks from Media Cloud Pro. So you could go over here to Audios. And you've got over 3,000 stock audios here that you can download and choose from. So just download these packages, you can open them up, and they've got folders that are categorized, guaranteed to find some music that'll fit your video out of 3,000 tracks. But similar to Kizoa, Adobe Spark does have a handful of built-in background tracks that you can utilize. So let's see, uplifting might be good. Thoughtful, thematic. I like rousing. I think bringing change is probably going to be a good one because, you know, I want it to be like inspirational. Like, this is the software that's going to change your business. All right. So let's use that. And I think that's all I have to do is just click that. I've only used this a couple of times, so let's see what happens now. If we go to preview it, looks like it's still loading. Okay, there, it looks like it's finished adding the audio. Let's go ahead and click play to preview this.
Are you mad about creating graphics?
That's funny.
You need Media Cloud Pro from MediaCloudPro.co. Media Cloud Pro is an innovative new graphics platform that has everything you need to create stunning graphics in a matter of minutes. It has over 7 million built-in graphic assets, including stock photos, vector graphics, and more. Go now to MediaCloudPro.co.
All right, fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and click download to download that video. It says preparing your video for download. And while it's preparing it, I'm going to go ahead and open up my YouTube account in another tab so I can upload that to YouTube. And I'm going to click create video or post, upload video. We'll check on this download. Okay, it appears it is downloading now. Fantastic. So once that's finished downloading, then we'll be able to upload it to YouTube. All right, now I can either drag and drop that video file or I can click here to select it. We'll go ahead and just drag and drop it since we have it already here. Let's see, which one is it? I believe, yes, I think is that the one? No, it's this one down here, Media Cloud Pro Ad. Okay, so we go ahead and drag and drop that over to YouTube. Okay, then we'll go ahead and give this a title. We'll just call it Media Cloud Pro. And then description. I'm just going to put in my web address, I guess. MediaCloudPro.co. So we'll click next. All right, it says 17 seconds left. And now it's finishing processing. Okay, add an end screen. Promote related content at the end of your video. I mean, we could do that, but we don't necessarily need to right now. Publish now. Yeah, we'll go ahead and just we'll publish it. We'll make it public. Yeah, we'll click publish. All right, the video has been published on YouTube. I'm going to click the video link and go watch my own video on YouTube, the video that we just created.
Are you mad about creating graphics? You need Media Cloud Pro from MediaCloudPro.co. Media Cloud Pro is an innovative new graphics platform that has everything you need to create stunning graphics in a matter of minutes. It has over 7 million built-in graphic assets, including stock photos, vector graphics, and more. Go now to MediaCloudPro.co.
All right, so yeah, you could notice that that was pretty blurry. That's because my internet connection is so slow. It was automatically giving me a very low resolution version there. But nevertheless, that was a successful little project. We just used media from Media Cloud Pro to actually create an advertisement for Media Cloud Pro, and we did it 100% with free web-based tools. In this case, it was Adobe Spark. Again, if you're interested in the other tutorial, go back and watch the one where I used Kizoa to create a real video as well. All right, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.